Okay, we're gonna go on a quick drive. So far it shifts nice and smooth. Brakes feel good, the steering wheel doesn't shake. So far it drives really nice. I hear a little bit of a rattling over there on the passenger side. It's very subtle. Everything else seems to be really quiet. Power steering's nice. The turning radius is awesome. Shifts really smooth. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel. Now you can see the wheel has seen some wear and tear throughout the years. You can see the corrosion on there. Kind of the etching into the chrome. Looking at these tires though, they look awesome. Got a ton of tread left. Here on the fender, got 2 touch-up spots. Little chip there, little notch in the plastic. Otherwise that looks good. Got 2 rock chips up here, a couple small chips every once in a while. And then looking at the mirror, it has faded. You don't have that shine to it anymore. Little scratches and chips every once in a while. Got some rock chips here. A little rust in them. Looking at that door, the upper side looks pretty good. We got a rock chip there. A couple little scuffs every once in a while. You do have some wear here and some chips from getting in and out. That all looks good. You do have a scratch right there. It does catch my nail. A couple chips. A little bit of wear down here from getting in and out. Got a touch-up spot there, touch-up spot there. You have a gash right there, and then you have some damage here on that back bumper. Looking at this wheel, it is tarnished and does have the wear. You can see the chrome is flaking off right here. But it does have some good tires on it. And then looking at the front end, these headlights are super clear. They look awesome. Here on the edge of the hood, a couple tiny rock chips. And for the miles, this is very impressive. There's only a couple here and there. Most of them have been touched up, and the touch-up is a hyper white, not a pearl white, but it is there protecting underneath that chip. Those headlights look good. Of course, you're going to have your rock impacts and rock chips throughout this front end. There's a larger chip right here. Got a crack right there. That grill insert looks really nice. Fog lights are a little dingy. Got a scratch here, and then a graze mark right there. And then we have a crack right there. And we have a scratch here Couple scuffs. Looks like it got the fender as well on that edge. And then looking at the glass, you can see the etching from the wiper blade in the glass. And then checking out the engine bay. Overall, this all looks really good. That underhood liner looks awesome. Couple little imperfections here and there, but very clean for the miles. All right, looking at this fender here, like I mentioned earlier, we do have a graze mark right there on the underside. Got a gash here that's been touched up. The rest of it looks good. Of course, you have the chrome that's kind of peeling on that wheel. Tires look amazing. This mirror looks good, no fading on it. A couple chips up that A-pillar. You can see some yellowing in this section, and this is a little bit cleaner, a little more bright white. You have a lot of wear down here from getting in and out. A couple little scuffs here and there, chipping around the handle. And you can see that transition of color on the doors. Got a gash here. Quarter panel looks good. You got some wear right there, some scratches. Wheel has the typical scuffs and scratches and corrosion. And then looking at the back, you can see the glass has the etching in it from the blade on there, so that is actually in the glass. That won't wipe off. You have your old emblem that was here. You can see it kind of chipped up the paint. Looking at these taillights, got the gash down here, but those taillights look really good, nice and clear. Got the damage here. You can see all the gashes. You have a lot of spider cracking. You can see that. That lower section looks good. Middle area is nice and clean. This is all manual. Opens really nice. Checking out the carpet, that looks good. Plastics look nice. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it is actually really, really nice. Of course, you're gonna have some spots of wear, but overall, it is a really clean interior. That handle looks amazing. All the leather looks good. Now right here in the corner, you have a little frayed piece in there. Got the memory. All of that looks awesome. Got your owner's manual. A couple scuffs here and there from getting in and out. And like you can see here, you have that wear on the paint. Little scuffs on the plastic. Got the nice all-weather mat. Now this is where you see the most wear on the interior on this vehicle, is here on the driver's side. Lots of cracks. Little notches out of the piping here. Still pretty soft. Got a crack here, a little bit of wear. Got some deep wrinkles. The rest of that seat looks good. Here on the steering wheel, you're going to see some scuffs and scratches every once in a while. But overall, that's a clean wheel. These buttons look good. This looks really nice. Here on this door panel, all of that looks good. Couple scuffs here and there. That wood grain looks nice. Overall, that's a clean panel. Couple minor scuffs here, a few little stains on the carpet. You do have your wear on that bolster with the little cracking. That bolster looks good though. The rest of that seat looks really nice. Got your wear here. Couple stains on the top. The seats are heated. You can see the low and high words have faded off a little bit. That looks good. Opens up nice and easy. This area looks really good. All of the buttons are clean. Now you can see some yellowing throughout. So if you look at here, this is a little yellow and those are super white. And so they do have some wear. This is really white. Some of this is kind of yellowed over time. Looking at the upper side of the dash, this looks awesome. Glove box looks good. I mean, this is actually super, super clean for the miles. Here on the back right door panel, got a couple small scuffs here and there. Otherwise, all of this looks good. Got a scratch right there. The rest of that seat back looks nice. Of course, you're gonna have some little stains on the carpet. Little scratch here, a little bit of wear, but otherwise, that seat looks really nice. Middle looks good. Got nothing here on the console on the back side, no buttons or anything. This looks really good back here.